this is Adrian Alex Paul. Welcome back to another video of my dream body weight loss journey. This is week number 2, so I'm just going to update you on all the food I ate. I went to the gym, and then I'll show you my progress of weight loss at the end. So let's continue with Monday, August the 6th. This is everything I ate in that week, so I'll go over it quickly. For breakfast, I had some brisket and some bell peppers with a sauce. It was really good. Then for the snack, I had half a banana. For lunch, I had some hummus, but I got to be careful with that because it's like very filling. So, but it's delicious. Then the snack after that, the other half of the banana. For the meal, I had it was like this salmon cake that I cooked up with some vegetables. I loved it. Then finally my last meal, always just vegetables. So it was just some bell peppers with a sauce. And I have been going to the gym 5 days a week, and I'll show you that later. So then day 2, I had some vegetables and a hot dog, then some peanut butter, then some leftover salmon cake, and I think some brisket and vegetables, and then grapefruit. This one actually for the 5th meal wasn't a salmon cake, it was a shrimp cake. So that was really good too. I had to switch it up, get some variety. And then again, my last meal of the day was vegetables. Now we continue with Wednesday, August the 8th. In the morning I had some peanut butter, but I actually mixed, like I took a banana and I chopped it up and I like pureed it, and then I mixed it in the peanut butter, and that just gave it like a whole new flavor. So definitely try that out. Then a snack, I had some grapefruit, and then for lunch I actually went out to a restaurant and I got some like tuna that they seared on the grill. It looked so good, I started eating and I forgot to take a picture. So I was like, oh no. So I actually ate a little bit of it, and then I was like, oh, I gotta take a picture. So that's why you kind of see some of it already eaten, but I loved it. It was really good. Then for my snack, a banana. The last meal, the 5th meal of the day was another half of that shrimp cake with the potato and some vegetables that were left over. And then finally my last meal was that riced cauliflower. Now the first time I had that, I just put it in the microwave and I didn't really like it. I ate it, but I didn't really like it. But this time, I sauteed it in a pan, put some like soy sauce on it, and I cooked it long enough to like get some, char on it where you get that nutty flavor for cauliflower, and then put some soy sauce. It was one of the best like vegetable meals I ever had. So I gotta buy some more, but definitely try that out with a little bit of soy sauce. It was great. Then that next day, Thursday, for breakfast, I just had a banana. Then a snack, I chopped up some more banana and put in a peanut butter. Then for lunch, I made some chicken salad. It was actually buffalo chicken salad. I just took some like buffalo chicken lunch meat, chopped that up. I took some celery, chopped that up, and I just put some blue cheese in it, like blue cheese dressing, mixed it up, sprinkled some like sriracha spice on it, and I loved it. It was really great because I love spicy stuff, and actually spicy stuff helps you lose weight. So definitely look into eating some spicy food. Then a snack after that, I just had an apple. Then the meal, I just cooked up some chicken with some vegetables. What are those called? I forget. Those little green cabbages, I forget what they're called. But I like those. Those are one of my favorite vegetables. I hated them as a kid, but I love them now. Then I just had some more of that cauliflower cooked up in a pan with the soy sauce. Can't get enough of it. So that's what I ate for those 2 days. Now let's look at Friday and Saturday. So for that Friday, I had some more buffalo chicken salad. Then for the snack, an apple. Then what I did for the meal was I took a tomato, I cut them into slices, and like you would eat on crackers or something like that. Well, with, instead of a cracker, I actually just cut a tomato, some round slices, and I put some of that. It wasn't buffalo chicken salad. I remember what it was. It was like this ham salad that I found at the grocery store, and I took a chance, and it was really, really good, especially on the tomato. And then I just put some different like dill mustard or chipotle mustard, which was really spicy, even for me. And I love spice, but that chipotle mustard was really spicy. But I still loved it. It was really good with some ham salad on a tomato slice. So definitely try that out. Then for the snack, a banana. Then for the meal, I had another piece of chicken with some, I guess, what was that, like a spinach or something salad. Then final meal, vegetables. Then on Saturday, more of that ham salad on a tomato slice. Then for the snack, I had a grapefruit. Then for lunch, I went to get some sushi. I obviously didn't eat all of that, but most of that. And then a banana for a snack. And then what I did was I took that buffalo chicken salad and I cooked up some mushrooms, sauteed them in a pan with a little bit of chicken broth, and then I just stuffed them with the buffalo chicken salad. They were delicious. Then final meal, more vegetables. And finally that Sunday, this is what I ate through the whole day. For breakfast, I had more of that buffalo chicken salad, stuffed mushroom thing, really good. Then for the snack, I had grapefruit. Then for lunch, I had some leftover sushi. Then the snack, I had some grapefruit and apples. Then for the meal, I had some more stuffed mushrooms, like the leftover ones. And I just threw a rib on there. The rib looked really good, so why not? And then for my final meal, it was just like a medley of different vegetables that I chopped up. Carrots, cucumber, squash, peas, like whatever was just left over. I just chopped them up, made a cool salad, and I don't know, sprinkled some sauce or whatever I had on them, and that was really delicious. So that's what I ate for that second week on that Sunday. So now let me show you the actual weight loss progress when I stepped on the scale every morning. So I even have my progress from last week, but we're gonna pick it up from the second week, which is August the 6th, that Monday. So on that Monday when I woke up, I stepped on the scale. I was 164.4 pounds. Then the next day on the Tuesday, I was 164.2. So I didn't quite lose an entire pound. Then that Wednesday, I was in the morning 163.8. So then I lost a full pound. Then I think that Thursday, I was 163.4. So I'm not losing a pound a day anymore. It's actually getting really hard. So I'm losing a pound like every other day, every 2 days, I guess, like that. Then the next day on the 10th, 162.8. Okay, I'm doing a little bit better. Then on the 11th, 162.2. Again, didn't lose an entire pound. So then on the 12th, which is that full 2 weeks, 161.6. And then this Monday morning on the 13th, I stepped on the scale and I was 160.8. So altogether, for the second week, I lost 4 more pounds. So compared to the first week where I lost 7 pounds, I'm not losing as much weight, but I'm still losing it at a healthy rate. And that's really my goal because, the first couple videos were called Road to 160. So I did make it to 160. I reached my goal within 2 weeks. But the amount of pounds I would lose as like per day slowed down. But I'm like losing consistently at a healthy rate. So that's good. But so I reached my goal of 160. Now the next couple weeks, I'm going to try to get to 150. And it's gonna be really, really hard because this time I'm gonna do it the smart, healthy, safe way. Because if you watched my actual half meal plan video, I showed my progress of when I tried to get to 150, but I kind of didn't do it the right way. I kind of like, tried an experiment, like to see how far I could push my body. And I didn't quite make it to 150. I came pretty close, but I didn't do it the right, healthy way. But this time, I'm going to do it the correct, slow, healthy way and try to, lose 10 more pounds, get to 150, because that 150 number is just something in my mind I have to reach. Because I always came so close, but I never quite made it to 150. So when I step on that scale, I want to see 150, because after that, I'm not going to lose any more pounds. I'm going to start building a lot of muscle and like tone my body. So I lost 4 pounds. I'm happy. I made it to 160. I did it the healthy way. So let's continue and show you what I did at the gym. So I'm just going to show you real fast. I went to the gym 5 days a week, and I'm going to go 5 days a week this week. So I just took a couple pictures of me at the gym. I actually did go the 5th day on the 10th, but I just got caught up in my workout and I forgot to take a picture. But I swear I did go to the gym. I'm not lying. So I'll even tell you a quick story. I went there around like 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, something like that. So I, normally every day that I would go on that like shoulder press machine where you sit down and you, push the weights up with your arms. And on the machine, I could do like 35 pounds, 30 pounds, 3 sets of 25. I try to do that. But then when I said, I'm like, okay, we're going to not use the machine. We're going to go on the bench and just do free weights. I could barely do 15 pounds. I couldn't even do it 25 times. Like, I couldn't even do 3 sets of 25. I barely did 20, like, reps. I did 3 sets, but barely did 15 pounds. And I just couldn't believe how weak I was. So, but like I said, I'm not trying to build muscle just yet. Because muscle, if you build too much, when you step on the scale, you will, it'll show that you actually gained weight because muscle weighs more than fat. So, yes, you could be losing fat, but gaining muscle, and it'll mess up the whole weight loss process. But if you do light weights and you, just build a little bit, teeny tiny bit of muscle, that will help you burn more fat. Because as you're moving your body, you're actually burning more calories, you're sweating more because of the tiny muscle that you have built up. But when I couldn't even do 15 pounds, 3 sets of 25, I was like, oh my God, I am so weak. So I got to work on that, keep going to the gym. I'm just going to step up now my cardio, going on the treadmill, going on the row machine, doing squat thrusts. Like, I'm working on my abs, just my lower abs, to get rid of this like gut that I still have. That's why I didn't take, pictures of my stomach anymore, because I only lost 4 pounds. What can you really see in 4 pounds? Like, you can't. So far, first week I lost 7 pounds, second week 4 more pounds. So total weight loss so far in the 2 weeks, 11 pounds. So I'm doing good. I'm right on track. I reached 160. I'm going to try to get down to 150, but I'm going to do it the right, healthy way. And I'm not going to be losing a pound a day, a pound every 2 days. Who knows? If I can make it 3 to 4 pounds a week, I will be happy. So until next time, thanks so much, guys. I hope this is motivating you, helping you out. So thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, share this video, comment down below. Please hit me up on Facebook and Twitter. Please subscribe. Help me grow this channel. Hit the notification bell because I got a lot more videos coming out. So until next time, thanks so much.